Alright guys, so one thing that was not announced at the event today, but we just happened to see it over here by the Pixelbook Goes, is Logitech's new Chrome OS keyboard. This leaked out a few weeks ago, but then it never actually popped up. They have a regular Windows version, but as you can see, this one here is actually designed specifically for Chrome OS. So like the Bridge keyboard, it does have a search key and a dedicated assistant key, and it's a multi-pair device designed to pair with more than one device at a time. So you can drop your phone in here to pair with, or tablet, and then it has a standalone mouse that you can use with it also. So this comes, they're already listed on the Google store for pre-order. I believe this one's $29.99 and then $49.99 I believe, but it'll pair with more than one device at a time, and then you can trigger the assistant, use your search key, and we'll get our hands on this pretty soon and try it out for a little while. But the keyboard's got some really good travel on it, feels really good, it's got a nice look. I was worried it was going to be a little clunky looking like some of Logitech's EDU keyboards that they make, but this looks good. It would look really good on your desk, and really intrigued by this tiny little mouse. I think this would go really good in your bag. You could just throw it in your backpack and just have it for whatever device you have laying around. And so yeah, we'll get one of these in the office and check it out soon and let you guys know what we think. Alright guys, that's it for this one. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you get an alert every time we put out a new video.